So I'm making this video in two sections because I have a lot to say about this. This called the Mindful Collection, and look at this. It is just awesome. I am so impressed with these gentlemen. It's Rick and Danny Brown, and they have this bag contained this beautiful tote, just wonderful. So you can have all your goodies in there. Just beautiful, very nicely finished. I'm so impressed. So the book shows how they have their products, and it explains what a wonderful thing knitting is. To be mindful, to be focused with rhythm and movement, and how calm and stress relief knitting and crocheting is. And it's just wonderful. And they have their products here, and see, they have their needles with nice words, inspiring words. And these are their needles, and it's just wonderful. Look at the quality of this, and it shows how your mind works and focus and calm, and it's just wonderful. Please check them out, please. So let's see about this. So they explain the healing power of knitting. I can testify to that. So this is just beautiful. So they have their big circular needles, very nice quality, and the sizes. And look at this, just beautiful. So those are the interchangeable, and look at the quality of these things. It's just gorgeous. I think I'm going to order several things from them because I need new needles, the good quality needles. The Believe set, just beautiful. So I can't say enough. It is just wonderful. So the Kindness set, the Explore set. Look at the stitch markers. Rick and Danny Brown. So please check them out, please, and we will post their websites and then I got this bag that it says warm, and I'm going to show you what they sent. So they sent a set of interchangeable needles with the swivel cord, and then they don't twist. So that's magic. See, they don't twist like the old kind. And this is a stitch marker, and these are size 8 US needles, which is the same as 5mm. These are 25 inches long, which is what I needed. Exactly what I needed. Thank you for being mind readers. So anyway, thank you so much. And we will be talking about them often because I love their products.